Hey everyone, I'm Nick from How to Agender. Welcome back to my channel. Today my friend Michelle is here because we are doing our very first mukbang.
Yes.
We got some pizza at Domino's and some side dishes, so we are going to unbox everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, just eat.
Eat with us.
Yeah.
Let us know what you're eating in the comments.
Grab something to eat and join the conversation.
Yeah.
Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to, if you don't want to miss any future content.
Yes.
Okay, let's start, right?
Yeah. So I got the pizzas we got are like barbecue chicken and what was that one called? Something
with pulled beef.
Yeah, and some tomatoes and and onions and
Yeah.
something like that. And we got some, like, these are the wedges, and those are like chicken. What are
Popcorn chicken. Or
Popcorn
something.
chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
How do you open this?
I don't know. There. Yeah, and I got some chili sauce.
Yum yum yum. These are the chicken, popcorn chicken, and this is also chili sauce. Oh.
Huh?
I thought we had the barbecue sauce.
Yeah, sometimes they mix up the sauces. That's not cool, but whatever.
Maybe we can put this one on this side of the
Yeah.
box
Okay.
so they can see. No?
Okay. This one. Come on. Don't be shy. There we
You're
go.
going to be eaten, but anyway. Chili sauce. I'm starving. I've been hungry since like 10 o'clock. And it's almost 2 now.
Well,
Nom, 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 nom.
I'm hungry as well. Okay.
Yay!
Yay!
Pizza! I'm very excited. So apparently I live in some type of hole where food delivery services don't come, so we had to pick it up
Yeah,
at the Domino's
at the main station.
restaurant.
Yeah.
Nobody delivers in here, so.
Apparently. If we had to pick a place to where they deliver here, then we only could get like, I don't know, kebab and like some pizza from places we never heard of.
Yeah.
So we just picked Domino's because it's good.
I never tried Domino's actually.
I have a couple of times and they're very good if you're very hungry because they make their food very fast and they're good.
Yeah.
So, like we basically immediately, or not long after that, we went there and it was ready. Like it was just standing there waiting for us.
Yes.
The wedges. I never tried their wedges actually. Yeah, they're pretty good.
We both aren't like fast eaters, so this is going to take a while.
Yeah. This is gonna take forever. So enjoy.
What's your favorite food actually?
My favorite food, well, pizza, and I really like Greek foods because there's like a Greek restaurant in the town where I live. Yeah, you really have to call them to book like a table because they're pretty much always like booked. They're pretty much, like otherwise, if you're just gonna come in there randomly, like you have to be very lucky to get a table. especially if you're like with a bigger group of like 4 people or something.
Yeah.
They're really good.
I just love anything Italian.
Italian.
I always love to travel to Italy because you never like have any complaints about the food. You can just go into the sloppiest place and the food is great.
No, actually, when we went to the Rome trip with school, as we went to the same school, like there was this one place, like there actually were many, I think it's because of Rome, because it's it's a city that's visited by a lot of tourists, that like there are like a lot of these a lot of these restaurants that just like deliver quickly but doesn't really care about the quality almost. And we went to this one place, like we ordered these like this bread, and it was like all burned and like it was basically black, and like some people didn't get like we ordered this menu that like several appetizers, like main dish and like drinks with it and everything, and some people didn't get something they ordered, and like some people got.
Was I there too?
No, I don't think so. I don't remember.
Because it was like one place where you had to wait 2 hours for your pizza. Do you remember? I think you were there.
Yeah, yeah, because we had like an hour to go.
Yeah.
And eat somewhere, because we had like a lunch break.
Yeah.
Basically, and like we were lucky that some of our teachers were there as well, because then they knew, like they would have left without us, because our food just didn't come, like. And there was a girl with us, and she got like her pizza she ordered, and she started cutting in it already, and then the waiter just took her plate, like, no, that's not for you, that's for one of the other tables.
Yeah, I remember.
It was awful.
Yeah, excuse the mess in the background, by the way. I live here, you know, it's not
You're not a robot.
it's a creative space, let's say. They're very good, they're a bit spicy, but not too much for me, so
Okay.
I have a very low spice level. I can't take any spice.
I'm almost finished with one of my first slice.
Congrats.
No, I'm a very slow eater, so. But that's good.
Me too.
It's better for your digestive system.
Write it down. So, do you have any questions for me?
What are your, how do you call them? Like plans for the year, or like resolution? No, voornemens.
Yeah, resolutions.
What are your New Year's resolutions?
First of all, to graduate at the Mode Design Academy with
how's your education going?
It's alright. I have 3 months of class now until the end of March, and then I have my internship until October. So I basically know what my year will look like, but I don't know where the internship will be and those
But how has
things.
it been so far? Like the classes and everything?
It's been very well. We get taught by experts in the field.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody is still working and is still so they don't give like outdated information and things like that you regularly have in other schools. So that's a plus, and it's basically just for connecting with all the people and slowly infiltrating in the fashion world. So that's very good. Now my other resolutions are more planning things. I'm a very bad planner. I've never planned in my life actually, but I feel the need to plan now. So also for YouTube, you know, to upload regularly, and it's not as easy as it looks.
No.
Because the struggle is real. Life is life. So you know, things happen all the time. And,
True.
That's a very basic statement.
Things happen.
You know, things can happen sometimes. No, but.
Oh, you can have one of my pieces too.
Yeah, same.
No.
Do you have resolutions?
Well, I've been really slacking at the gym lately, but that's mainly because of because I'm in my masters now. It's been like very, very busy, very hectic, very like writing assignment here, writing assignment there, and suddenly like we had exams after like only 3 weeks of having a course, which was very and then like 2 weeks later we had exams again, and then we had like presentations here and there. It was a lot of work, but I really loved it. I really like what I'm studying now, and I really see myself doing this as a job, so that's good.
Most important.
Yeah, and also resolution is to do well at my internship, because I feel like I'm very lucky when it comes to my internship, because I got a place very quickly, and everything went very smoothly with my internship, so I think I'm very lucky with that. So it was my first choice for internship. So I really want to do very well so that I can have something nice to put on my resume. So that's also a resolution, I guess. Oh yeah, about the gym thing. So yeah, I want to go back to the. I want to go to the gym more regularly. And what else?
I don't. I've never been to the gym. So.
Well, I need it because like I can like I really have to watch like not. I have to watch what I eat. That's why I'm eating pizza. No, I can eat like unhealthy things here and there, but like if I eat unhealthy every day, it's really gonna show.
Yeah, I think lots of people can relate to that.
No, not everyone. There's some people who can eat shit every day, all day, and they just don't gain any weight, and I don't get it.
I like the chili sauce actually.
Me too. It's like sweet chili. It's like this very, very sweet chili.
Oh, I love me some sweets.
Sugar.
Can I have a taste of your pizza?
Of course. Alejandro. We were listening to Lady Gaga in the car. And Nicki Minaj. My anaconda don't.
We can't say full lyrics because then they will copyright the video.
Oh, okay. Sorry. What can we expect from your YouTube channel in the future? For your new year? Like you have your new playlist with the lipstick roulette?
Well, the thing is I'm trying to upload every week. That's the resolution.
Yeah.
So for myself, I kind of want to build a structure in what I upload, but I don't want people that view it to see the structure.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
No, it shouldn't be that obvious, but for me it's easy to have certain series and things that are coming back. So if things turn out the way they do, you will get 2 videos every 2 weeks.
Oh yeah.
Because of the lipstick roulette is every 2 weeks, and that is supposed to be on top of the video that will be uploaded every week. So
okay.
then you get 2. Also, I want to make more content around gender because I haven't really done that much around that. And also like mindfulness, because I just want to share stories. I want 2019 to be about stories and experiences and just more feeling than product.
Okay.
Because I've uploaded reviews and things and people really like it. Those are the videos that get the most views.
Okay.
But I just want viewers to have a good feeling as well after they watch it and really get a lesson out of it. Sort of like, because some people come up to me and they admire, well, admire might be a strong word, but they look up to me and the way that I express myself and that I don't hold back for people or for things. I just do what I want.
That's good.
Yeah, and that's what I want to express with the channel.
Yeah. Good.
So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe.
Shameless self-promotion.
Shameless plug, yeah. Well, it's my own channel, I mean. And you, because you have a channel as well.
Yeah,
which I will link down below.
Well, I've made a list of videos I want to film. A lot of them are about my future Sailor Pluto cosplay. So if you're a Moonie, you don't want to miss that. Well, that's what they call Sailor Moon fans, right? I don't know.
Okay.
A Moonie. Because like Sailor Pluto is my favorite Sailor Senshi, so I can't wait to cosplay her. Like I'm basically finished with the cosplay, but I just need to finish making the garnet rod, that is the staff she's holding. And like I need to style the wig and like little things like that. But like I wanted to finish it this this Christmas break, but like life happens. I think I want to work it like this weekend mostly. I don't know. What else? Oh yeah, I have filmed a video about my figurine collection, so if you don't want to miss that, go to my channel and subscribe. If you're also like collecting figurines.
No, I collect shoes. There's another package that arrived today. I'm actually like more excited about that. And also the shoe collection videos on my channel are doing good as well, so I think I will do some more about shoes, which isn't too difficult.
Everyone loves shoes.
Actually, I prefer this pizza over
Yeah,
yours.
I prefer this pizza.
Good! We made a good choice.
I just love the combination of barbecue sauce and chicken. It's like, it's so greasy, it's so bad, but it's so good.
Barbecue sauce, actually, it's my religion. I cannot live without. I'm obsessed. Yeah. The chili sauce. Oh my gosh. Maybe we can talk about Netflix because you just had a subscription.
Yeah, I might like. Actually, my boyfriend made a subscription. How do you say that? Just
subscribe
to Netflix.
Yeah.
And I'm joining his account. So. Oh yeah. And I'm watching like basically Arrow because I want to watch the whole Arrowverse is a bit much, but like I want to watch the most important parts of the Arrowverse, like those series, like The Flash and like maybe Supergirl. I watched the first episode of Supergirl, but I'm not really a fan. And I really want to watch the series You, that new TV show, but I already knew about the book, and I already wanted to read the book, but I'm reading another book right now. So I want to finish this book, and I want to read You, and then I want to watch the series, because I already really wanted to read the book, because the book is written towards the reader. So it's like, and it's written from the stalker's perspective. So it's like the stalker is talking to you, the reader. That should make it like more, like, I don't know, like it's really you who is being stalked. So.
I don't really. It's not that I don't watch series, but I don't watch it a lot. I just watch YouTube like crazy.
Yeah, me too. Actually, I just when I want to watch something quick, like when I'm doing my makeup or something, I just watch YouTube.
Yeah. Have you seen Bird Box?
No, but I've seen all the memes.
It's crazy because Netflix didn't do any marketing around it, but it's just all the memes that made people watch it.
Yeah, but I already I was going through like my Netflix, like seeing what I wanted to watch, and I saw it like in the new list, like what's new on Netflix, and I was like, oh, Sandra Bullock, okay, maybe I want to see that. But then I saw all these memes, and I'm like, okay. But like, it's like, there are a lot of people who just know about Sandra Bullock, which is like, shocks me. Like, a lot of people call Sandra Bullock, oh, that girl from the Bird Box. Like, you don't know Sandra Bullock? What's wrong with you? Like,
the world has gone to shit.
Yeah, but what are those movies called when she's like a cop who goes undercover and does like these pageants, these beauty pageants.
Miss Congeniality.
Yeah. Oh, those movies I love.
Yeah, I've watched the movie by now, based on the memes, and it's like not horror, but it's
more thriller.
Thriller, yeah. But there are some shocking plot twists, and it has like a constant creepy vibe.
Okay.
So
something for me.
I do recommend it. It's not really my genre, but I liked it. And yeah, Netflix for me is just for RuPaul's Drag Race and for a few other series like that. Reality.
Like, I only watched the 6th season with you of RuPaul's Drag Race, and now I'm watching the 7th season. And like, it's so addictive. It's so good. Yesterday I've watched Before I Wake. It's a horror movie, and it's a pretty creepy one. I know you don't really like that when it's a very creepy horror movie, but it's like about this kid who whose dreams become reality, but when he has nightmares, that's when shit gets real. Because he frequently, when he's feeling upset, he dreams about the Canker Man, and like that's all I'm gonna say. And that the Canker Man is pretty scary, so yeah, that's watch at your own risk. No, but yeah, it's pretty creepy, but it's good. It's a good story, so.
I just don't understand the concept of horror movies. Just why do you want to be like scared the whole time?
Because it's an adrenaline rush.
Yeah.
It's kind of like an adrenaline that people get addicted to.
Yeah, it's just like movies that have like that constant creepy vibe, but I
Mhm.
don't really like
Being scared.
scary creatures and jump scares.
Yeah.
And
Well,
I can't.
when I have this weird thing that when I get jump scared, I start laughing, like because when I get jump scared, I literally go like, and I just start laughing like because it's just a movie. Because I guess I start laughing because of the ridiculousness of it. Yeah. I'm like, The craziest jump scare I had was with the movie, shit, what was it called? It's a pretty well-known horror movie. I think it's one of the, like the last Insidious or something. I don't know, but it was like, it had like this scene in it where a girl goes in like this very narrow like tunnel or something, or like something underground, and she sees like all of these suitcases,
Mhm.
and she opens one because she has to find something, and then like she opens it, but like behind all the suitcases it's like pitch black, so so you know something's coming. And then, like, but then you like, and then she like looks in the suitcase and looks up and in and up, and then you think like, okay, it's coming, but then she like goes into the next suitcase, and there comes this creature out of the suitcase, and I just literally went like, oh, like I almost fell out of my bed, like my boyfriend just laughed at me.
Yeah, it's not my cup of tea.
Oh, I also really love watching true crime docu-series, because like I'm into like true crime, and like well, I don't know if you know, but my master I'm doing is legal psychology, so I'm really into the whole legal true crime area. And I just finished watching The Keepers, and it's very good. Like, if you, I think there's like this one episode. Well, the whole series is actually about that, but it's like it's about a nun who is being murdered in the 60s, and but there's like this whole conspiracy theory around it that she was being made to shut up about something because the school she was a teacher at, it was like a public secret that the priest of the school, the directeur, the principal, who was a priest, was abusing all of the girls because it was a girls' school. He was abusing all the girls, and the nurse wanted to go complain about it, but like then she was suddenly killed, so that was like, that's kind of suspicious. And like I think it's the second episode, the episode is called The School, and like one of the victims like talks about all of her experiences with the principal, and like that just made me sick to my stomach, like it was so bad. Yeah. So prepare for the emotions, but it was just very good.
I'd rather watch a mukbang than. I'd rather watch a mukbang. Do you actually watch a lot of? The chili is hitting me. Do you actually watch a lot of mukbangs on YouTube?
Well, first mukbang I actually saw, and like I never heard of a mukbang before, was that of Harmony Nice. And she was eating like, what was she eating? Indian food, I think. And then, yeah, I just started watching it because I love food. And then I watched some of Haley Reese. Like, they're not really mukbang channels, but yeah.
But yeah, in America you have all these chain stores of foods, all the fast food chains, and in here they won't even deliver, so
Yeah.
no, but I very much like watching mukbangs. I'm always like, oh, I'm not going to watch that half an hour video, but then I'm at 25 minutes and I'm like, oh well, we're there anyway.
Yeah.
So but I don't always eat with it. I just watch it
I just like to,
and then I'm hungry.
yeah. I just like to hear them chew as well. I don't know. So, a lot of people hate that sound, but I actually like it. Not like that. But then I get hungry as well. So.
Yeah. It's a lot.
I thought you were hungry.
Yeah, but I never eat a lot actually. It's like food, I like food, but it's not my priority in life, like with some other people. So, yeah, I don't know, I like going to a restaurant and eat something, but it's, for me it's not about the food, it's just about the people and
yeah, okay.
the conversations.
Yeah, me too. I also really like going out to eat, but that's because of the people as well, because I like eating with people I like and then having good food, having a good conversation and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what I like about it. Because a lot of people like eat out alone. And like I don't really get that.
No.
I would just feel sad.
Yeah. But I think it's in your own mind though, because when you see other people eating alone, do you feel sad for them?
Well, kinda. I don't know. It just, but I just feel kind of sad because I know that's not what I would want to do. But maybe those people really want to be alone. They really want to to be surrounded by people, but just want to be left alone or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Each their own, I guess.
Last year when I went, or 2 years ago now, when I went to London for 2 weeks, I never ate alone. I mean, not in a public space. I ate alone at my room, which is even more sad. But I never went to a restaurant and ate there alone. Once, I think I did it once because I was really hungry and I wanted that type of food.
Yeah.
But yeah, eating alone is just not that great. That's why you watch a mukbang and then eat.
Yeah, but if you want to eat in smaller proportions, it's better to eat alone. Because when you're surrounded by people who also eat, you tend to eat more. That's just psychology.
That's what we're doing at the moment.
But the bigger the group, the more you eat. That's true. Because, what was the explanation again? Because it's like a sort of a competitive part of you that gets activated. Like you want to eat not the most, but you want to show that you can eat a lot for some reason. Yeah, it's really weird. I could be completely wrong, but that's what I remember.
Which videos do you want to see on this channel? Do you have any ideas, recommendations?
An everyday makeup tutorial.
Mhm.
Or I don't know how much makeup you wear on daily. But
Not that much.
okay. But like maybe like a full coverage tutorial or something.
On my planning I have a date night makeup tutorial,
Okay.
which is like, I want it to be for every type of date.
Yeah.
You know, not only your first date with someone, or
Mhm.
but also your to go eat with your husband for your 25th marriage birthday or something. Just a very simple makeup that enhances the good things and conceals the bad
Yeah.
things. Which basically is what makeup is about.
Yeah, which we all want.
So that I want to do, but I'm just not an expert on makeup, so I don't
Mhm.
think I should do too many tutorials, but of course I can show
Mhm.
how I do it.
Maybe what I do in a day or something. Maybe so it's like something like not a daily vlog, but like you could do a daily vlog, but just like your typical kind of day vlog or something like that. I really
Mhm.
like watching vlogs. I really like Bub's vlogs, like from Bub's Beauty. I don't know if you know her. It's like it's
No.
a Chinese girl, and but she like talks English.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I started watching her like 10 years ago, and now she's married and she has kids and everything, and I just watched all that happen, like, you know, and it's very amazing to see, actually. It's like
Mhm.
you live it with them, and yeah, and she has like the cutest children. They're like so cute, and they do like the stupidest things, but it's just so cute, and she's such a good mother, I think. And yeah, I know, yeah. It's like a random thing to like to watch, but like, yeah.
That's what I like about YouTubers, like
Mhm.
specifically about small YouTubers too.
Mhm.
That you can really see them grow and evolve,
Mhm.
not only their life but also like the quality of the videos.
Mhm. Yeah.
And yeah, that's what I like about the smaller YouTubers,
Mhm.
because I think people are getting sick of these perfect YouTubers.
Yeah.
Like the ones with the perfect fabric background and lighting, and
Yeah.
yes, of course I watch videos like that,
Yeah.
because they are big stars, but I love to watch smaller ones too that don't have, just like me, you know, that doesn't have a great camera setups and
Mm.
lighting, and you know, because it's a bit more
Realistic.
real. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna finish this piece though. Hang on.
If I do that, I wouldn't be able to move anymore.
No, you have a bed here, so
Yeah,
you can be
that's
like,
true.
Well, I'm a pretty big eater, so I can do this.
mm,
Oh, what I maybe also would like to do is, but I don't know if I really want that, but I really love to watch like these true crime YouTube videos. Like there's one girl whose videos I just love. I just get so excited when she uploads a new video. It's Eleanor Neal. She's from the Wales. Zo noemt dat waar? Wales?
Wales, yeah.
Yeah, she's from the UK. And I just love her videos, and it just inspires me to make maybe also some of those videos, because it's one of my interests, but I don't want my channel to be like all over the place, like true crime and cosplay and...
That's where I'm at the moment.
Yeah, I don't know, it really fascinates me. It's really like what interests me and what I want to... It's a field I want to work at, but then maybe I would do like cases from Belgium or from the Netherlands, because you don't really see that a lot on YouTube. So there are some criminals here in Belgium,
yeah, of course,
whose stories will shock you, but like, yeah, I don't know. It's just, I really want, it's also a lot of work to make one of those videos, I think.
Yeah, for some videos I really want to do them, but the research just terrifies me sometimes, and it's on the internet, so
yeah,
you know, everybody can come for you.
Yeah, if you make a mistake,
say something wrong,
yeah,
but that shouldn't stop you from making it.
Yeah,
because comments are great, and they create engagement, and so yeah, but it's true, some videos really need a lot of research, specifically if they are based on facts.
My hands are just covered in barbecue sauce and pizza crust. But I'm a very messy eater, so that's okay. I'm used to it.
You've accepted it.
Yeah. I will finish this.
Don't leave before she finishes.
I'll explode.
Oh. Yeah, it's my first time eating Domino's, but I kind of like it. It's a good type of dough, and some special toppings actually. This is not the most special, but they have some other ones that you might
like
enjoy.
Cheeseburger, which is like really weird, but yeah. It can be good. I don't know.
Like Pizza Hut had some crazy things too the last years. Like a few months ago they had a hot dog pizza. I was like,
what's on there? Like
it's just a hot dog, sausages.
Sliced hot dog?
Yeah,
Sausage.
and then mustard and ketchup, and I like a hot dog, but not in combination with a pizza, I think.
Yeah, it's a bit too much, I think.
Are you going to eat those too?
I don't know. No, I think I'm gonna explode. Just, yeah. No, I'm at that. I'm done. I'm defeated.
So I guess that's it.
Yes. We finished our meal. Or like finished. You haven't finished.
Yeah, I know, but it's always like that.
But okay, you can put it in the fridge. In the fridge.
So that's that for this video. It's our first mukbang, but if you want to see more, then comment down below and leave a like. Subscribe to this channel if you want to stay tuned for more content. And we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.